Notepad looks simple, but you can turn it into a really useful productivity tool. In this guide, I'll show you a few practical ways to use Notepad for planning, quick notes, task tracking, writing, and organizing information without adding unnecessary complexity. Start by creating a simple daily task list. Open Notepad and type your most important tasks, one per line. You can use simple symbols like brackets to mark unfinished items. As you complete each task, replace the symbol or add a check mark. It's basic, but it keeps your priorities visible. Notepad is also great for capturing quick ideas before you forget them. Keep a temporary notes file for things like phone numbers, ideas, reminders, or information you need during the day. You can paste useful information here instead of opening several different apps. To make longer notes easier to scan, use headings, blank lines, and simple separators. For example, create sections for today's tasks, ideas, important information, and tomorrow's priorities. You don't need complicated formatting. A clear structure is usually enough. When you're working with longer notes, use Find to quickly locate specific words or phrases. If you need to change repeated text, use Find and Replace instead. This can save a lot of manual editing, especially when you're working with lists, drafts, or copied information. You can also use Notepad as a distraction-free writing space. Draft an email, outline a video, plan a project, or write down content ideas without worrying about formatting. Keeping the first draft simple can make it easier to focus on the actual information. Once a note becomes important, save it with a clear name and keep related files in organized folders. For example, you could create separate folders for work, personal notes, projects, and content ideas. Use descriptive file names so you can find them quickly later. Finally, keep your system simple. Use one file for daily tasks, another for quick notes, and separate files for larger projects. Review your notes regularly and delete information you no longer need. So instead of making Notepad complicated, use it to reduce clutter. And that's how you can turn Notepad into a lightweight productivity tool. Use it for quick capture, planning, writing, and simple task tracking. It won't replace every productivity app, but for fast and focused work, it can be surprisingly effective.